Jim Olmedo Alapag, born December 30th, 1977, is a Filipino-American professional basketball coach and former player. He serves as a head coach for the NLEX Road Warriors of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). He is nicknamed the Mighty Mouse and the captain. Alapag is the youngest of 6 siblings, and his parents are both Filipino immigrants from Leyte. He was born and raised in San Bernardino, California. He said his greatest influence in playing basketball was his father and older brother Crispin. He started playing basketball at the age of 3. In high school, he was only foreign in his freshman year. He almost quit basketball in his second year, but his high school coach convinced him to keep working. In his senior year at Upland High, he averaged 15 points and 9 assists. He first played collegiate basketball at the University of La Verne. He then transferred to a junior college and thereafter transferred to California State University, San Bernardino. He established himself as a clutch three-point shooter for Cal State San Bernardino. In 2002, he had his first crack of Philippine basketball when he was invited by then national team coach John Uiquico to try out for the Philippine national team bound for 2002 Asian Games in Bisan, South Korea. He made the team but missed documents and a hand injury kept him from playing. In 2019, Alapag reached out to the Sacramento Kings general manager Vlade Divic for a coaching opportunity. Divic offered him a position to help coach the Summer League squad, which he accepted. He didn't coach the next season due to the Stockton Kings not fielding a G League team for that season, but returned the next season to be an assistant coach for the Sacramento Kings Summer League team, where they won the 2021 Summer League Championship. He was then named as an assistant coach for the Stockton Kings following their successful Summer League campaign. In August 2023, Alapag was promoted to become the Sacramento Kings player development coach. He left his role on April 15, 2026. NLEX on June 29, 2026, Alapag signed as the head coach of the NLEX Road Warriors, succeeding John Uiquico. He is set to make his head coaching debut in the PBA at the 2026 Governor's Cup. Personal life, Alapag's parents are Filipino immigrants Crispin and Aurora Alapag. He's the youngest of 6 siblings. He considers his father as well as his elder brother Crispin Jr. as his 2 greatest influences in basketball. In In August 2010, Alapag married Filipina actress Laurie Zhang L.J. Marino, the daughter of Rule Ricafort and Deborah Laxamana, Alma Marino's sister. Her sibling is Francis Ricafort. Efficient pastor Robert Johnson performed the Sunset Christian wedding at the Catalina Terrace of Surf and Sand Resort in Laguna Beach, California. They were blessed with 3 children, Ian Maximus, whom they adopted, Kauna Sky, and Kaylin Asher. In 2023, they welcomed their 4th child, Kason Amory. They run a YouTube channel, Alapag Family Fun, which currently is close to 200,000 subscribers. In 2019, they were baptized before they moved to the US in 2020. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.